Chanel here, your menopause nutritionist. I have exciting news today. An advancement on my Thrive retreat, which you may have heard me talk about. This is the first retreat I have run, and it has been more than a year in the making. This time last year, maybe earlier, I spoke it into existence. And finally, this September, we are making it happen. Now, the actual retreat itself, all of the beds are sold in the house, but due to popular demand and people messaging and asking, I am actually opening up a small amount of numbers for the Saturday only, a day entry. So 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. for the retreat day pass. So this is exciting. For those of you who couldn't commit to the whole weekend, you now can come and join me for an entire day, 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. What does this mean? It means we are going to move together in some way. We are going to do some journaling together. We're going to have a mindset session with a mindset expert, because this is the area where our limiting beliefs, our old habits, our past selves hold us back from getting our goals. So this is pivotal, and I'm so excited for myself joining in on this, but also for all of you who attend to work on this mindset piece, because it's so important. You are going to have nourishing, high protein foods. We're going to have a cooking demonstration. We are going to have workshops. We are going to enjoy delicious food. You are going to be around other like-minded people on the same journey. So there's going to be some awesome connection. And I think sometimes that is where some of the magic happens, just some of the conversations where we can share everything, whatever we feel happy to share. You will get a retreat workbook for the day that you're there. You will get resources to take away to help you, tools to implement in your life. There is a little gift bag that everyone that is coming to the retreat gets. I'm really excited putting this together. It's awesome. I would like one myself, so maybe I'll be having one too. It is perfect if you live on the Sunshine Coast or you're happy to drive from Brisbane for the day. It is a powerful way and chance to reset, to recharge, to learn, to empower yourself, to put yourself first. Because here's the thing, as women, we put everyone else first. We don't put ourselves first. So we are going to be doing a sunset walk. We have rucksacks and weighted vests on hand for everyone to try out. There is just so much going on in just that day, let alone the whole retreat. So I am so excited. You will join us for dinner. We will have dinner together, and you can see it's going to be well worth it. It is $395 for the day to come and join. There are very limited spots, and already some of my Thrive ladies are snapping them up. So don't let this opportunity go. Get in, come join, come immerse yourself in all of the things that you know are top priority. Let's carve out those non-negotiables for you. Let's set up a daily protocol that you can follow to see the end of this year out, get your goals, feeling amazing, having the best energy, mood, focus, sleep, getting your body composition on track, and absolutely putting yourself first. So if this sounds like something that you are into, don't let this opportunity go. Act now, grab a spot, get in and come and join us. I cannot wait to be in person with you, actually in the same room, in the same vicinity, doing our non-negotiables together. It is going to be amazing. So if this is you, make sure you shoot me a message, comment here, ask any questions you have. I know these spots will sell out and be snapped up, so don't delay. If this is speaking to you, move on it. I'm excited. I'm sure you are too. Like I said, if you have anything at all, reach out, message, share. Let's get this going. I cannot wait. We are on the countdown. I think it's 6 weeks before we start, and it is going to be so, so fun. Thanks for being here, and I'm excited to spend time with you.